food is said to be healthy because of the natural ingredients, and specifically, we use a lot more of the vegetables. So kung gusto mo ng vegetable, nandito lahat. Appetizer pa lang, 8 vegetables na yung kinakain mo eh.
Korean food is little spicy, there's a little alat, little sweet. Korean food is not oily. So even you eat always, you will not becoming umay. That's why Filipino likes Korean food.
Korean food goes with the philosophy of yin and yang, the Korean way of samshin. Yin means dark and cold, and yang means the color and the hotness of the food. So, in Korean dishes, we have salty, we have sweet, we have bitter, and a lot of colors for the vegetables.
Yung sa Korean na pagluluto, kailangan mo ng mahabang pasensya dahil medyo mahabang preparation niya. Hindi naman siya ganun kadaling gawin. Marinate, yung mga vegetables mo, kailangan mong ibabad, mga ingredients mo. Hindi agad nabibilin kung saan-saan. Ang hindi po mawawala sa Korean food, spicy. Kasi yun po talaga yung signature nila. Yung chili powder, chili paste, yun naman po ang pangunahing sangkap na ginagamit. Yung chili paste po, nakakawala siya ng lansa ng pagkain, nakakadagdag siya ng lasa. Ano pagkarya niluto mo na nilagyan niyo ng chili paste, so nababawasan po yung lansa ng pagkain. Nagkakaroon ng aroma. Pinakasikat po rito, binalik-balikan po ng aming mga mahal na customer is yung galbitang, yung himolpadyon, yung sundubo, yung aming sangyapsal po at saka po yung bulgogi, beef bulgogi po.
I think the people are coming back because of the authenticity of the Korean dishes that we are serving.